Phew! I'm exhausted and I'm not done yet. But I got the weeds out of here. I've got that whole little wagon cart full of weeds. And I've planted my berries and I put my cardboard down. And now I gotta put straw on top of the cardboard because the cardboard does not look good. And then I'm out of cardboard. This is the last of my cardboard, so I need to get more cardboard so I can do the rest of this bed. I did put cardboard in with my peppers over here, but that's it. I got no more cardboard and I got a bunch of beds left. So I'm gonna have to, I don't know, order some stuff from Amazon, I guess. Well, progress was made today. I got half of the garden done and set, and look how pretty it looks. All nice and neat. Don't look over there. No, I said don't look over there. I also still got that to do, but I did get a couple of my other beds over here filled in. My pepper bed, my peppers, apparently it didn't rain yesterday. It rained the night before, but it didn't rain yesterday, and I didn't come out and water. They're looking a little rough today, so hopefully they'll all come back tomorrow. Gave them a good soak today, but I put my straw in there. I still have that basil there. It needs to be planted all over. That's one of the reasons I didn't put any in that bed yet, because I'm not done planting in it. But this one down here, I think I'm pretty much done planting in it, so it got the treatment too. I hurt and I'm tired, so I am calling it a day. I am glad with all the work I got done today. It feels like an accomplishment for sure. And tomorrow is another day. It's supposed to rain tonight, and it's supposed to start again in an hour or so. I went ahead and watered all my straw in so it doesn't blow away in the wind. And yeah, so I have left, what do I have left? I have my onions left. I still have to plant my onions. I have to plant my basil, my lamb's ear. I'm gonna put my thyme over here. Well, that was a lot of work, but I feel quite accomplished today, even though my body is sore and I am beat. I'm going to call it a day for today, and tomorrow I will come out and plant my onions and plant out that basil. And then I'm going to be moving my oregano and my thyme and probably my chives and my parsley and all of that stuff over into that in-ground bed, because I want to make that a perennial bed. And I want things to just come up over and over and over again that I don't have to worry about, because I'm getting older. I want a perennial garden that will have all of my herbs that come back, you know, my oregano, my parsley, my chives, my sage, what else? Almost everything except basil comes back here. So if the only herb I have to plant every year is basil, I'm okay with that. I want to get some fennel going again. I didn't have any luck with the stuff I started inside. It just didn't work out. But I'd like to get some started, and apparently it works as a perennial as well here and will self-seed and come back if I let it. So we'll maybe give that a try again, but first I got to get more cardboard so I can get rid of more weeds and finish doing that bed over there. Wish me luck. Thanks for coming and hanging out with me today. You know I appreciate you every single minute that you come and hang out with me, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take good care of yourself. Bye now.